Are you struggling with listening, speaking, reading, or writing in English? You're not alone. Many students face these common challenges, especially when trying to communicate with confidence. Welcome to the Spoken and General English course at Education House Leeds, a supportive, face-to-face program in the United Kingdom designed for international students. This 30-week certificate-level course helps you strengthen all 4 English skills step by step in a friendly classroom environment. You will improve listening through guided practice and real conversations, speaking with pronunciation support, role plays and speaking clubs, reading to build vocabulary and understanding, writing to improve accuracy, structure and confidence. Classes are taught by experienced English teachers who provide clear explanations, regular feedback and personal support. You'll also have access to a modern learning management system with video lessons and AI-powered pronunciation practice, so you can review and practice at your own pace. This course prepares you for IELTS preparation, academic English, English for work, university pathway programs, professional diploma studies. The program runs 2 days per week over 7 months, allowing time to practice, improve and adapt to life in the UK. Build confidence, improve all 4 skills. Apply now and start your English journey with confidence.